Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to solve the problem of type B. In type B, here they are saying here we need to find the Laplace transform of sin 2t multiplied by sin 3t multiplied by sin of 4t. That we need to calculate over here, right? So to find the Laplace transform, all these things what we can do over here now. Here we can apply the defactorization formula. Since here total 3 terms are there, so first 2 term here we can consider at a time. In sin 2t into sin 3t, here we can apply the defactorization formula, right? So defactorization formula already we know, sin of a into sin of b is nothing but equal to 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b and minus of cos of a plus b will going to come. I hope the things are very clear to you now. So since here we have 1 by 2 is constant, so here we can take 1 by 2 as outside and 1 by 2 will go to outside. Here we need to find the Laplace transform of sin 2t into sin 3t, right? Into sin of 4t. So here we are considering sin 2t into sin 3t first, right? So here if I am going to apply the defactorization formula, so after applying the defactorization formula, here we'll get so 2t can be considered as a and 3t can be considered as a b, right? So cos of a minus b will come over here. So cos of a minus b, there 2t minus 3t will be minus of t. So cos of minus t will going to come, and then minus of 2t plus 3t will be 5t. So here we'll write cos of 5t then, and at last here we'll write sin of 4t as well. This is sin 4t, right? So now what we can do over here now, 1 by 2 and the Laplace transform of cos of minus theta is cos theta only. So here we'll write cos of t minus of cos of phi t into sin of 4t, right? So now we'll open the bracket over here, and after opening the bracket, here sin of 4t will be multiplied with cos of t. So here we'll get sin 4t multiplied by cos of t. Now sin of 4t will be again multiplied with cos of phi t, right? So now here we'll go to the next case. So Laplace transform of, here we have sin 4t into cos of t, right? So again here we can apply the defactorization formula. The defactorization formula also we know for sin of a into cos of b, right? Sin of a into cos of b, the defactorization formula is 1 by 2 into sin a minus b and plus of sin a plus b. This is the formula for the defactorization formula, right? So here we'll get 1 by 2 and in bracket here we'll get sin of a minus b, right? A is nothing but 40 and b is nothing but t. 40 minus 3t will be, 40 minus t will be 3t. So sin of 3t and then plus of 40 plus t will be 5t. So sin of 5t will be there. I hope the things are very clear to you now. Again here we can apply formula in this case also, sin 40 into cos 5t, right? So here if you apply the formula over here, so sin of a minus b will be there, 40 minus 5t will be minus of t, right? And then in between here the plus sign will be there, and sin of 40 plus 5t will be 90. So sin of 9t will be there. I hope the things are very clear to you now. Here 1 by 2 we have. So Laplace transform of, what we can do, here we have 1 by 2 and here also we have 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 we can consider as a common. So if I take 1 by 2 as a common, so 1 by 2 also we have outside. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4. So here we can write 1 by 4, right? And sin of 3t, inside the bracket will be sin of 3t plus sin of 5t will be there, and then sin of minus theta, since already we know that sin of minus theta is nothing but minus of sin theta, but if I'm going to open the bracket, to minus minus will be plus. So here we write plus of sin t and then minus of sin 90. So now here we have simplified everything, and after the simplification, now here we can apply the linearity property, and by applying the linearity property we can find the Laplace transform of this entire function, right? Sin 3t Laplace transform will be nothing but 3 upon, already we know the formula, 3 upon s square plus of 9, and the Laplace transform of sin phi t will be 5 upon s square plus or 25, and sin of t Laplace transform will be 1 upon s square plus of 1, and sin 90 Laplace transform will be 9 upon s square plus of 81. So this is the final answer of the problem number 1. So here we have completed the problem number 1. Now we'll solve the problem number 3. In the problem number 3, here they have given, here we need to find the Laplace transform of sin 2t into cos 3t into sin 4t, right? So here we'll write Laplace transform of sin 2t multiplied by cos of 3t and multiplied by sin of 4t, right? As usual, here I will consider first two term and here we'll apply the defactorization formula. Since already we know the formula of sin a into cos b, right? The formula for the sin a into cos b is nothing but equal to 1 by 2 sin a minus b and plus of sin a plus b will be there, right? And by using this formula, here we can convert the multiplication into a plus sign, right? So since here we have 1 by 2 will go to the outside because it is a constant. So here we'll write Laplace transform of sin a minus b, right? So since 2t minus 3t will be minus of t, so sin of minus t will be there, and then plus of 2t plus 3t will be 5t. So sin of 5t will come, right? I hope the things are very clear to you now. At last here we have sin of 4t, and then here we write 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of sin of minus theta is minus of sin theta, right? So minus of sin t plus sin of phi t into sin of 4t will be there. Now we'll open the bracket over here, and after opening the bracket here we'll write sin t will be multiplied by sin 4t. So minus of sin t into sin 4t plus sin of 4t into sin of phi t will come. Now here we can write 1 by 2 Laplace transform of sin of 4t into sin of phi t minus sin of t into sin of 4t will come. I hope the things are very clear to you now. And after that, here we can write, here 1 by 2 we have, so 1 by 2 and the Laplace transform of, again here we can apply the defactorization formula. Since already you know the formula of sin a into sin b also, the formula for sin a into sin b is nothing but equal to 1 by 2 cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b will go to come, right? So we can apply the formula over here, and after applying the formula 1 by 2 will be there, and then we'll write cos of a minus b, right? 4t minus 5t will be minus of t, and then minus of cos of 40 plus 5t will be 90, cos of 90 will be there, minus 1 by 2 will come, again we'll apply the formula over in this case also, cos of t minus 40 will be minus of 3t, and then minus of cos of phi t will come, right? And then here we'll do the simplification, and after the simplification here we'll write, here 1 by 2 we have, here also we have 1 by 2. If I'll take the 1 by 2 as a common, so 1 by 2 will be multiplied 1 by 2, and here 1 by 4 will come, right? Cos of minus theta already we know, cos of minus theta is nothing but cos of theta only, right? So here it will be cos of t minus cos of 90, and then minus of cos of 3t will come, and then plus of cos of phi t will come. I hope the things are very clear to you now. And then after that, here we can write 1 by 4 here we have, and then if I'll take the Laplace transform of this entire function, so after taking the Laplace transform, what we'll do over here now, here we are taking a Laplace transform, right? So Laplace transform cos of t will be nothing but equal to s upon s square plus 1, cos Laplace transform cos 90 will be s upon s square plus 81 will be there, the cos 3t Laplace transform will be s upon s square plus 9 will be there, cos of phi t Laplace transform will be s upon s square plus 25 will be there. So this is the final answer of problem number 3 also. So since here we have completed type B also, and from the next lecture we will start with type C. Thank you.